I'm with Renault Megane 2, and this time it's about car saloon blower or ventilator, whatever you want to call it. I have already one video where I show how to remove it, and to be honest, has some issues. And then if you wonder how to replace it, the ventilator itself you can check on the internet, link below. But more or less I have issue with this. So when I ever turn this one to the forward, it doesn't work, and sometimes it works and stucks, and then has some issues with that. And recently I even noticed that when I put this to the fourth, I got really bad burn smell out of here. And well, definitely not the motor itself, the blower. So here is what I think is causing the problem. So you can see this is where your blower, and then seems fine. And I kind of noticed that this black and brown wire is really getting hot when I'm using the fourth level of the blower. So this is connected to the heat resistor, so I'll try to replace this one. Not very cheap, about $30 for my car, but I have not automatic this climate control. I have manual AC, so it even can be even more expensive. So I will open this and let's see how everything will go on. But more or less this is your heater or your blower resistor, so we'll see to fix the problem. But the symptoms for me was stucking to the third speed, and when I managed to get to the fourth speed, actually the blower then stops, then starts to work, and then really potent burn smell starting coming from the air vents. And to be honest, I was worrying that something is burning, but it seems like one wire get really warm and probably caused this one. We'll see how it will fix or not the problem. So after removing this, well, definitely doesn't seem alright here. As you see, kind of burned through, so this wire is not in the best shape. So I'm gonna check the resistor inside. Oh, the resistor, you need torque 20, same as other bolt there, and there are just two bolts, one there and one there. Let's see what's inside. Removed those two bolts. First let's pull this off and let's see how this looks, if it should be replaced. To be honest, hard to tell, and some dirts anyway, but you see it's actually burned here, so obviously I have to replace this one now. This new resistor is the old one, as you see. I'm not sure if it's totally broken or how it is, but it's definitely not great. And what about this connector? Since this is quick fix, I will probably order this wiring harness. Couldn't get this from the shop, but actually this kind of fits really well here with this cable. Just a little bit made sure that this wire is connectivity working, has some connectivity going through, so that's nice. And then a little bit clean the top of the end, and let's try if it fits in. Let's give a little test if this will fit in. Let's remove this one and see if not bended. Seems alright here, and they even click sound. So let's give a test if this works and if my quick fix solution will be useful here. So let's give a quick try for this one. This is put here, this there. I will just turn on the level 1. Oh, stuck here. Next to the pedal. No, maybe the safest place, but first works fine. Yep, there was no lug, and then now I need to just turn to the fourth level. Let's see if the wire will get warm as before. Maybe I'll put like this so it's stable. Go back within 1 minute. After a small test, Well, this not even warm, so this is very nice. Last time it was really hot within just a minute or two, so this definitely fixed the problem. If you have some smell of burnt inside in your car and you have struggling problems with this air blower, it's like moving, turning on, off, and not working properly, so I suggest you to check out if this is alright, your blower resistor. In my case it was not alright, and it cost me about $30, so it's not cheap, but it's not hard to replace by yourself. So I hope I could at least give you a little hint what might causing some problems, for example not working properly blower or at all, or as well burnt smell in your car. Thanks for watching and goodbye.